Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. I'm in front of the 6563 rear lowering kit for 2015 to 2024 Ford F-150 truck. It fits both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive trucks and can be configured to lower the truck approximately 3.5 to 6.5 inches depending on model. This kit is comprehensive, includes all hardware required. Let's talk about it. So we have the spring shackles here, comes with all the hardware. Here's the flip kit that lowers the truck in the rear. 6575 transmission shim optimizes the driveline angle so the truck runs nice and smooth. We also have a pinion angle shim kit, 2.5 degrees. We found that when we lower the truck that it can vibrate a little bit, not due to our kit, but because we're lowering it. So with the 2.5 degree shim, along with the transmission shim, we can optimize that driveline angle. Here's the heavy duty flip kit brackets. We have some pins that we custom make here at UMI Performance, made in USA of course. The pins are to allow you to install shims like this, and we actually sell the pins separately. If you need a longer pin, heavy duty pin, 6577 is your part number. We have heavy duty made in USA U-bolts that go here on the flip kit. And then the kit also comes with Viking Warrior shocks. There's 19 positions of adjustment in compression and 19 in rebound for a total of 361 valving combinations. When you lower the truck with this kit, you have high performance, you have damping adjustability, and the truck will look a lot better and handle great. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.